Hello guys and welcome back to another video of the AI series. In this video we will learn how to create the skeleton for the game and rules section. We will create a new section and in this new section we will display the game area and the rules. We will be using the HTML file tag called section for this. There is not much of a difference between these tags. The header tag and section tag do pretty much the same thing. They create blocks of space on HTML page where you can display the elements you want. These blocks take up whole width of the page. To make the code look neater, we use header tag for the heading and section tag for the game area. Now I'm going to open my notepad++ editor and we are going to start with the coding. So let's create section tag with an ID as game. Let's close the section with an ending tag. We will create other blocks within this section. Block 1 to hold the game area with new game button. Block 2 the rules section. These two blocks are not required to take the whole width of the page. We will use the div tag that is similar to header or section tag. It is just to make it simple for the code to be understood better by all coders involved. Before HTML5 was introduced, programmers only used the div tag to create blocks in their pages. Let's create a div tag for the game area and let's name it tick. ID can be as per what you want to call them. I have called it tick and rules. Now we have to create the canvas to form a 3 by 3 grid. 3 rows and 3 columns and each block with a different canvas. So in total we need 9 canvases. Let's create the first canvas with canvas ID as canvas 1 with width and height as 100 pixel each. We do not have to specify px for pixel. As soon as we write 100, browser understands it is pixel. We can copy this canvas code to create rest of the 8 canvases. To break up these canvases, we have to use the break tag, that is the br tag. So br tag after first 3 canvases will put next to the ones in the second row. So after the sixth canvas, we will create another break tag. As break tag is an empty tag, I am using a slash after br to complete the tag. Let's also create a new game button below the canvas. We will be using a button tag for the same. We will give it an ID as new and text as new game. Let's use the center tag to center the button. Center tag will be wrapping the button tag. So far, we have not created the border or the background colors for our canvas and hence they are invisible and we create another div tag rules. Now we will create the final part of the HTML area. We just need the head links tag and the paragraph tag to create this section. We will be using the h2 tag and not the h1 tag as we want this to look different than the heading we created earlier. So now we have h2 tag created here and also a paragraph tag that is denoted by p that has both start and ending tags. First paragraph is each player has to take turns. Next paragraph is the player who fills 3 consecutive rows first wins. Last paragraph is you can start a new game at any point. This completes our HTML part of the code. Our canvas is not visible and to make it visible on the web page, for that we will use CSS. So far with the HTML code we have written, our web page looks like this. We have just created the skeleton and once we start designing each of these elements in CSS, it will look way better. I recommend that you pause the video and to do the coding with me, as in the later videos we are going to add more elements to the same code. In our next video we will create the game canvas and the rule skeleton. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe and I hope you enjoyed this video.